Hello guys, in this video we'll see a very important tool for AutoCAD which is Polygon, Polyline, Ellipse, Construction Line, Ray Line, Zoom and Pan. In the last video we have seen how to draw line, rectangle, circle, arc and their shortcut also. So these are the shortcuts for this tool and please note down, and now we are going to see how to draw this command and how to use. So for Polyline, simply click PL in your search command PL, okay, and give the start point. Select a start point also. So here you can provide dimension 100, 500, whatever you want to provide, and simply you can draw arc with line. Like we are providing, we are giving data for 50 mm for the arc, so you can draw with the same, like you can see. This is a basically continuous line with arc, center, close, direction, whatever you want to take. You can simply A. If you will press A in your keyboard, so it will ask for angle, center, close, direction. Okay, and the second tool is ellipse. Okay, so I'm going to take ellipse, draw ellipse. So for ellipse we have to click in your command section EL for ellipse. This is a shortcut for ellipse. Okay, so here there are two type of ellipse, arc and center. So you can draw like arc of ellipse also, and you can draw freehand. Like you have to provide center first, and this is first diameter or radius for it. So this is actually radius, so I am providing 50. Okay, and the second radius is it is asking, so I am providing like 70. Okay, this is a ellipse. Okay, and the second is a arc. So simply we have to press arc A, and it is asking center. So this is center I'm considering, and just provide radius for it. So I'm giving 50. Okay, and now we have to provide the second radius 70. Okay, now it is asking for angle, from where you want to start. So I'm providing 60. Okay, so this is a 60 degree, and I'm clicking like 250. Okay, so you can see from 45 to 200, this is R. Okay, and the third important tool is Polygon, which is very important tool. POL is a shortcut for Polygon. Here you like how many sides you want to take, so you can select from here. Just I'm taking 5. Okay, this is asking for inscribed and circumscribed. Inscribed and circumscribed is like just I let you know. Inscribed you can see, and if you have a circle, okay, this is a 100 mm radius of circle. Okay, now I'm going to take polygon, and I want to draw for 5 side, and this is the center, and I want to draw circumscribed. You can take, and you can draw, and simply provide radius here, and I'm taking radius 100. So this is the outside of the circle. This is a circumscribed, and inscribed you can draw. You can take side from here. I'm taking 6. Okay, and provide the center for polygon, and this time I am going to take inscribed. Okay, and providing, and I'm going to provide the radius 100. So it draw in a under the circle, and it draw circumscribe draw in a out of the circle. And this is the basic difference. What every side, like you can draw with a 7 side, 8 side, 9 side. And the fourth tool we are going to see, which is construction line. And construction line is also infinity line we can say, and the command for this is XL. This is an infinity line. If you will it is asking for, you can see, specify the point, horizontal or vertical angle, you can whatever you want to take. This you can see, yeah, this is a like infinite line. Okay, and again we are going to see vertical. Okay, this is a vertical. How so many times you can take with the one time. And axle for horizontal, you can take multiple lines with take one time of command. And the third is angle. You can provide here, just provide center, and you can draw with 50 degree. So you can draw like specify point. XL. Bisect, you can draw from here, like you want to bisect here, so you can see. Okay, like this. And next is offset. If you want to draw like this line can be draw this from here. You can draw this line here. Okay, and the sixth command is a ray line. Ray line is a also very important command in AutoCAD. Ray line. Okay, ray line, this is also infinity line, but you can draw like in this, like this. Okay, you can draw this like this, in this direction, so you can draw in a specific direction. Basically RAY is a shortcut for it. And you can draw like you want to draw in X minus X, so you can draw like this in a X direction. You can simply click in for minus Z, so you can click here. You do not want to like need of click, then just take a reference and it will automatically show. Just you have to right press. And the last one is zoom and pan. So just I'm showing you the zoom and for zoom and pan, we have to simply click in your command section Z. When you will press Z, so it is asking for select the area. I'm selecting this area. You can see this, it will be automatically come in your skin. Press Z in your tool, Z, and select the area like this. Press Z, enter, select the area, and right click in your mouse. Okay, this is a zoom and pan command. And for if you want to like if you will want to zoom out and zoom in with the help of mouse, so you can scroll your wheel of the mouse and it will also work. Okay, if you want to shift this this work interface here, so simply click like you can rotate like this. You have to click the wheel and shift, and you can rotate like this. Okay, press shift and wheel of the mouse, and you can, when you will scroll the mouse, so you can see this like this. Okay, it's a very important command. And these are the views, your views, top views, and bottom, left, right, whatever you want to take, so you can select from here. So we are going to end for today, and in the next video we will see also next command, important command for AutoCAD, like annotation, and in which we will see how to provide dimension. Okay, thank you for watching.